Kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes, ideas, and things where you like to make at home. Anyway, today I want to make you some spicy baked chicken. Alright, it is a beautiful day, the day looking so lovely and nice, but I want to marinate it first. Once you marinate the chicken, you're gonna see the next video how to cook it. Alright guys, so thank you so much for tuning into the show. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and get the latest update. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook. Google plus me and get your favorite recipe. Today recipe is going to be a spicy baked chicken in the oven. Alright guys, so please don't go anywhere. Don't switch off your phone, don't switch off anything. Watch the way I'm going to make this simple baked chicken in the oven. Enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel and tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely guys. So basically I just wash off some chicken thigh with some lemon juice. Alright, that's the main thing which you want to do. I got 3 cloves of garlic right here, and this is my garlic crusher. I always talking about my garlic crusher, how you can get it to buy and all these things. So the garlic crusher, this is how it works. It's on my website at Chef Ricardo Cooking, chefricardo.co.uk. the link will always in the description box. Put it in just like this, and then just gonna remove the shell from the garlic. So that's one of the garlic. Two. Three cups of garlic. This is some fresh thyme which I'm going to be using. Just cutting up my thyme. Alright. So now this is how the garlic crusher works. Put one garlic inside of it. And then I squeeze it in like this. Alright. Another garlic. That's 2 cloves of garlic. Another clove of garlic, make 3. Alright. Yeah, so that's how it works. Then what you're going to do next is get a gloves, put a little bit of olive oil or vegetable oil, whatever oil I like to use, and just rub it like this. Alright. Once you rub it like this, you just want to do it just like this. Then little bit of Cajun season. No, sorry guys, little bit of chili. This is some dry chili. Dry chili. This is some paprika. All-purpose season. Chicken season. Roughly, I'm just using my discretion with the season, so you can measure it out by using a teaspoon. Mixed herb. A mixed season. Little bit of ginger season. Ginger powder, I mean. Grounded ginger. And we're gonna put some spring onion. And then we got some white onion which we're gonna be using on it also. And we're going to put on our gloves and just marinate them up like this. So basically this is the chicken. So once you do your chicken like this, next what you need to do, yeah, look at that. That is just beautiful and nice and fantastic. Look at the color. Everything on it is just perfect. Really, really, really nice. Nice and lovely. Once you marinate the chicken, and I'm gonna just put it into a smaller container. For it to get soaked, you know what I mean? Spicy baked chicken. Nice and lovely. So now the chicken is finished. All I'm going to do is wrap it and put it up for roughly about 2 to 3 hours. Then I'm going to cook it. Alright guys, so please after you marinate the chicken, put it in the fridge. You can cook it the next day or whatever you like to do with it. That's it. But enjoy the recipe and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas coming from Chef Ricardo and the team, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.